The Indian diaspora today has become an important and unique force in the global system. It has grown into an energetic and confident community in every region and is making sheltered contributions to world affairs in leadership positions. Our diaspora has exhibited extraordinary dedication and hard work and has overcome many challenges to achieve excellence in all walks of life, including art, literature, politics, sports, business, academics, philanthropy, science and technology. Your achievements give us immense pride and joy. The Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Awards symbolize the nation's highest recognition of the diaspora members for their contributions to India and in their home countries. These awards are significant as they not only show our appreciation and acknowledgement of the achievements of the Pravasis, but also reflect our faith in their resolve to keep India's flag flying high in the world.
Very honored, extremely touched. My parents up in heaven must be very happy today. A lot. It started with food. It started with food led to culture, then led to diplomacy, and now there's so many exchange programs between the citizens of Israel and the governments of Israel and India. And it all started with just two simple people. So I thank the government of India for not forgetting its people, and this is what PBD stands for. Pravasi Bharati Divas, Pravasi Bharati Awards, that they don't forget their Indians, even though we leave our motherland and go to other places to carry on our journeys, but always with India in our hearts.
It's obviously a moment of great pride. It's an honor to get this recognition. But particularly at this point in time, I am very upbeat about India's prospects. Under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, we have a lot of momentum and wind in the sails. And therefore, to get this recognition at this point in time is particularly special.